today?
Party, 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 party.
What's today, Avery?
Party.
Whose party? Whose party? Whose party is today?
Party, party, party.
Can you say hi to Auntie
Hi, Auntie.
and Uncle?
Uncle.
Can you tell them what today is? What's today?
Party.
For who?
Party.
Whose party?
Party.
Whose birthday? Avery, whose birthday?
Party.
How old are you going to be?
2.
And what's your name?
Every boy. Everyone.
Say see you later. Can you say see you later?
It's over. Bye.
Bye, Auntie and Uncle.
Bye, Auntie.